Canadian travel mongers are taking over Telegraph Cove. Look out.
Hey, who's that coming up the walk?
Hey, we just got to Telegraph Cove. It was a really fun trip. That is our view from our room. And off to the left is the restaurant where we have reservations tonight. They are already smoking the salmon.
North Island Kayak, that's where we picked everything up from.
Across the harbor there, you can see their kayaks all laid out. And they have their own coffee roast shops. We're going to have really good coffee tomorrow morning before we head off.
It's 4 a.m. here in Telegraph Cove, just gearing up.
Getting ready to go.
For the 12:30 start. Somewhere right at the...
There's Mark the man.
Good morning.
We can do a little bit of jig. Oh, nice.
Looking a lot more like paddlers.
Yeah, it's so hard to say if it's a male or a female really right now. Got a pretty hooked dorsal fin, so that's usually kind of typical of a female, but the males also have that until they reach sexual maturity at like age 15, 16, kind of like or towards 20. With a good picture of the dorsal fin and the saddle patch, you can identify them based that way with and also having the catalog book. Wow, that's amazing with those.
Right on.
That's amazing.
That was sweet. What do you think of that, guys?
Yeah, that's pretty amazing.
Hey, first hour. Not bad. Thanks, Joshua. We know you called that in for us.
First 2 hours on the water, not so bad, eh?
Yeah. Okay, well, here's our lunch. Started with pita, feta, tzatziki, Greek salad, some chips, Oreos to round it out. Compliments of these two fine men.
That blue one there? I never see it.
Already saw whales.
Your big head. Oh! Whoa!
The hat off for that one.
Bravo.
Welcome to first day on the Telegraph Cove to God knows where kayak trip.
She doesn't work on the cooking channel. In fact, so it's probably a lot better than how she described it.
Any street cred to your food review? Yeah.
Totally. Have you not seen the Canadian Travel Mongers food reviews like on YouTube? Yeah, I have lots of cred, man. North Island Kayak puts on quite the appy spread. Look, we've got these like chili jam. We had baked brie with apples. 2 kinds of cheeses. We got like pizza, pita over there.
So for dinner, they skimped, had some barbecue salmon, some roast veggies, and some mushroom risotto. It's fabulous. Everybody's seaside, having their dinner at the tarped in kitchen area, shooting the breeze after a great day of paddling. Day 1, Jennifer coming back from the office.
Jen's a hard worker. Trent's a hard worker.
Darlene says, what office?
Like the refraction on those,
What's an office?
rocks right there. 7-1 is traffic?
7-1 is traffic.
Okay.
I'm gonna make the call.
Okay, make the call. I'm listening.
A little foggy morning. Here we are on day 2, just about to cross the Johnstone Straight. Just making the call. See if we can get a safe passage across the strait. Sitting here in a field of bull kelp to hold us still.
Victoria traffic, Victoria traffic, Victoria traffic. This is kayak 1, kayak 1, kayak 1, over.
We've just crossed the Johnstone Straight and the fog hasn't quite lifted. Talented guides got us across safely.
Hey, we got beer for everybody. Not everybody.
100% humidity. I don't know if anybody's going to be able to see that.
Quite a bit to hold it out. Like a person couldn't hold it out, could they?
I don't know.
You see it against the edges. So we've pulled into our camp spot for the second night.
Got our tent set up. Totally new system to us. Kind of cool. Looks really good. Check it out. We got 3-person, lots of room.
Johnstone Straight. We came across about 40 minutes through the fog.
Red Point.
Something
Red
like that,
Camp,
yeah. So we just had an awesome lunch there, like tacos kind of thing. It was great. And then, yeah, leisurely paddle up here. We set our tents up on Island, something, Mound Island. Oh, anyways, we'll insert that later with like words in the bottom. And then, yeah, once we got our tent set up so that we claimed it as ours, we did a nice paddle around and we saw some humpbacks.
Yeah, it was a good day.
Oh, it was awesome. We had great weather. Fog lifted just as we were eating lunch. It was like, it opened up and it went, ah! And then it's been beautiful, sunny, monger weather all day.
Here we are just above our campsite. Nice little island. It's almost high tide. Look at this bay. Look at that camp spot. Somebody set up a pole. Probably. Wow. Good call on the hike, guys.
Good for the soul, it's good for the heart.
Look at that, man. That is spectacular. There is our water supply, what's remaining of it. 2 down, about a dozen to go. 15-liter packs. Everybody throws a couple of those between their legs, both front and back cockpit. Here's the crew getting ready for day 3. Looks like it's shaping up to be a nice day. Got the fog, expected fog in the morning. 1000% humidity. Just actually see the humidity in the air falling. Getting all packed up. Here's how you pack. Trent's gonna show you how.
Yeah, this is how you pack without packing anybody else's stuff in your boat.
Here we are, everybody's on the water. Started day 3. I think we're going to Owl Island. Real nice spot here at Mound Island. We've just arrived at Owl Island, our site for night 3, and we've walked across the island. At this part, it's only about 100 yards wide. Just walked over here and found this nice little bay. Fog hasn't quite lifted today. Saw mink on shore, crossed a couple of small straits, a couple of passages around Berry Island, and yeah, here we are. Well, here's lunch. Got some bagels, cream cheese, smoked salmon, capers and onions, some potato chips, carrots and apples, tea,
Cookies.
Dessert.
here at Owl Island camp. Boys have set us up on not a bad spot. Fog hasn't quite lifted, but it's gonna. Well, here we are back at Owl. Just had some lunch. Gonna get back on the water for a couple hours. That's the view. Pretty damn nice view for an outhouse. We're hearing world's best, but I haven't checked it out yet. Here's supper. Some sort of soup. Wasn't very good. No, it was fucking awesome. Quinoa soup. Boys threw it together for us. Some fresh cilantro, onions. Awesome. On a
No, I have a light.
6-day wilderness adventure without a lighter.
Dude, not only that, they make us set up our own tents.
I bet you sweat too.
Right? They make us paddle. They made us paddle here. This is bullshit.
Bullshit.
No, I haven't sweated yet.
North Island Kayak, I'd come back.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, same thing as today.
Seek the Northwest Passage.
We seek the Northwest Passage.
Really?
Yeah. I think that's where they said they're dropping off your beer package.
We'll know when noon tomorrow.
Yeah. It's on the water for noon.
Let's just say we're all having a beer.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll probably sneak right through the channel there across Midsummer, and then we're going to start heading up Retreat Pass towards Fox Group Pier. So on that route there, we'll kind of be island hopping, especially if there's going to be fog and such.
Well, you guys, we have a good day.
Yeah.
I think we did.
We had to paddle.
Yeah, we did.
It was a fabulous day.
Yeah, we have to sit here and look at this.
Jesus.
We saw 2 minks.
Several seals
Yeah.
Yeah.
of the harbor variety. Suspect is humpback whales.
Rogue seals out of the harbor.
Nice.
We heard some humpback.
The bay is completely filled